So I just got this Alexa device for my kids, and I am going to try the Amazon Kids Plus subscription. So they will actually give you the subscription for 1 year. And what I'm gonna do is to ask them to remind me before the date of the subscription ends, so I can actually cancel it if I don't want it. So what I'm gonna do is go to my Alexa app on my phone, and I'm gonna show you right now on my phone. What I'm gonna do is, now that I have installed everything, that the new device, I am here on this new device, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap on, and here it says Amazon Kids enable. So if you tap on Amazon Kids, then you tap on Amazon Kids settings. Then it will take you to the Amazon parent dashboard. Here you will go and scroll down until you see more, and tap on more. And here you can tap on Amazon Kids Plus subscription, and here it says 1 year Kids Edition device family plan, and then it says cancel subscription or remind me. Here in this option, if you toggle this option, it says you will receive an email on December 24th of 2024, 3 days before your renewal date, so you are able to cancel it. If you don't cancel it, the renewal date will be December 27th of 2024. Okay, the price of these will be $5.99 Canadian dollars in this case, and it will be charged as an Amazon Prime Kids. This is the way that you can get reminded. So if you, in case that you want to cancel these Kids Edition plan for this Amazon Kids Plus, okay, and it says that save 12.88, or you can switch to an annual plan for $59 per year. So you can change the plan right here. This is a monthly plan, or you can get charged like for $5.99, or you can get charged $59 per year if it's just Amazon Kids. Okay, so just a good thing to know, so you can actually be able to cancel Amazon Kids Plus.